Oh, you're looking at a 2000 Ford E450 Super Duty limo bus, handicap bus, or just a a transportation vehicle. Best thing about this bus, low mileage and the bulletproof 7.3 diesel. That is one of Ford's most popular engines. They end up being bulletproof. They'll do 300,000 miles, no problem. Nothing like the ones now that they're having, like the 6.0 that they're having most of the problems with. The body of this vehicle is in good shape. Has a couple dents on the driver's rear side. Another good thing, 6 good tires, nice commercial radials. Worth some bucks there. Now the lift has a handicap lift, and it is a Recon. But get this door open. Alright, what's going on here? Excuse me a second. There we go. It doesn't look to be used much. I can't get it to work right now. There is a system you have to go through to use these. Put on the brake, push on the switch on the dash, and have it open. Normally it's something small like a wire or a solenoid or something like that. But it's not doing anything. Doesn't look to be used much, so I really don't think that's a big deal. Doors in good shape. Usually these are banged up in the doors if they're, been used hard. This bus was owned by a Methodist village, like a, retirement community, large one. And they take very good maintenance of their vehicle. Annual inspection, all the oil changes and things. Here's where the dent is. We'll take a quick look at the motor. Starts right up. 2 strong batteries. When I started today, it had been sitting for about a week and a half. Cranked right up. 2 nice strong batteries. And again, the 7.3 turbo diesel, power stroke. Very good motor. Now there's another story with this. The AC is not working and it needs a rear compressor. So it was squealing. I bypassed the rear compressor. So it needs a rear compressor to have cold air. Heat works fine, but it needs a rear compressor. No big deal. The compressor is probably about $250 and maybe about the same to install it. This is a 15-passenger vehicle, so it does not take a special license to drive. This is a wheelchair area. Now, uses for this. Transportation vehicle for a transportation company, or say a vehicle to take to football games, tailgating, etc. Keep your grill in the back. Use the lift to go in and out with that. That's a nice thing to do. Or some people have been taking all the seats out, turning it into an RV. Titling it as an RV is the cheapest way to get insurance. Just about the same as a car. So, if you have a commercial business, I mean, look at that lift. It really looks like brand new, hardly used. So, gonna have to play with it, and I believe it's right here because the light isn't coming on for the interlock, which is what would light up if to turn the lift on. Let me put my license tag on, go for a quick drive. We are in Bel Air, Maryland, which is about 20 miles north of Baltimore. We're right off of I-95. We will pick you up at the airport or the bus station. Airport is BWI. The bus station is in Baltimore. Or the train station is in Aberdeen, Maryland. And we have people do that all the time. I pick up my paper here. Or if you're interested in shipping, there's a website that's owned by eBay called uship.com. And our buyers have had really good luck getting a good price on that website and good service. There's the automatic door. Then that's for the rear heat. And the fan here for the cool. It has cruise control on the brake. The radio works. And all the fans blow for the heat and the frost. This is a no reserve auction, which means the top bidder will get it. So please do not bid unless you have your finances together and you're able to finish the transaction. Do not have to pick it up right away, but you do have to see what this dump truck's doing here. Okay. Anyway, you don't have to pick it up right away, but you do have to have a deposit within 24 hours of $250 and the balance paid within 7 days. So we can store it up to 30 days if you can't pick it up right away. This truck will drive you home no problem wherever you need to go. That's an overdrive, so see it shifted through all the gears. All the gauges are good. And no check engine light or anything like that. It's easy and pleasant to drive. Cruise control works, just tried it out. Goes straight down the road. A little noisy around the door, but gotta expect that. So if you're looking for an inexpensive people hauler, if you have a transportation company and you want a reasonable bus for picking up people in wheelchairs or just hauling them around, if you have a church, you want to make yourself an RV, you want to make a tailgate bus, all those things are good for this vehicle. And it'll be sold at the right price. We got a clear title. So buy this Ford 7.3 diesel cutaway bus.